In this History Illustrated video, we're going to cover the definition of the word manufactured goods. Let's go ahead and begin. Now, I've got the word manufactured goods written at the top, and I would like to start out by saying that these will come from what we called in the last video raw materials. Raw materials. I'm going to go over raw materials again very briefly just to make sure that we're on the same page. So in the last video I said raw materials would typically come from the dirt. They would be natural things. These things would you would just find in nature, sitting there in the dirt most likely. And let's go ahead and use an example. Let's go with cotton. These are raw materials. These are the natural things that you find in nature. In the last video we covered things like silver or gold or metal of some kind, and then certainly plants or fish or animals. These are all raw materials. And I said raw meant unfinished. They're not finished yet. So if you would imagine, a manufactured good are the things that are finished. So let's go ahead and just continue on here. Let's say we got some cotton and we sent it over to a factory. Inside of this factory, it would be manufactured. It would be changed or finished into something that we could use. So let me go ahead and remove some of these things and talk to you about the manufacturing process. So let's say, for example, the cotton is inside the factory here, and once they had it, they would manufacture it into something else. Let's say, for example, a shirt. They would turn it into a shirt. Now, a shirt would be a manufactured good. They made it. It didn't grow out of the ground naturally like that. It had to be made in a factory. And who knows, maybe they're making really awesome shirts like this. That would be a manufactured item. And there you go. That's the full circle of it. Manufactured item.